Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hickam Housing, local and long distance movers near me. Within a 100-mile radius, 3 Movers will successfully relocate you. The company handles all local transfers, which take between 1 and 2 days. You'll also receive a free moving quote to help you plan ahead of time before making your decision. We take all necessary precautions every time to ensure that your things arrive at their destination secure and quickly. The 3 Movers Moving Service Company has a trained team of movers who adhere to all state safety regulations. We provide fast interstate moving services with delivery time depending on the distance, shipment size, and nature of the things in transit, among other factors. 3 Movers is one of the Hawaii's most reputable commercial and official moving companies. Our unbeatable and timely bespoke solutions for all types of commercial relocations and demands are unrivaled. In addition, we have a highly trained and experienced service members that handles each item with extreme caution. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hickam Housing moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.